Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Today, in this video, we are going to review our expert advisor, Don't Bother, and we are going to review its two risk settings. One is lower risk and one is calculated risk. Okay, so Don't Bother Forex expert system features. We are going to discuss a few. That is like first is tailored risk setting, in which there are a couple of risk levels: high risk, significant risk, medium risk, standard risk, low risk, and couple of others, right? So based on your risk level, whatever you want to choose with, what kind of personality you have, what kind of trading personality you have, you can choose the risk level accordingly. And in case if you like to customize, then uh, like it can automatically adjust based on your capital. Okay, so just put down your capital. You need not to even uh, change any lot size. Just choose the risk level, and accordingly it will auto adjust itself according to your chosen risk level. Okay, but if you would like to customize, then you can also fine tune the deposit load to align with your unique trading goals and style. And the lot control, if you would like to take the control of the lot size based on your choice, then you can customize that as well. There is an option, there is a feature of drawdown reduction as a drawdown control. And also it has an integrated advanced news filter, so that you can stay ahead of market moving news. And martingale and hedging, these are both optional. In case if you would like to use them, then you can use them as well. If you would like to customize, otherwise just choose the risk level and let the EA manage the trades for you. Okay, so these are the few features. These are just few the features, like it is not all. Okay, and we are trading on this account for with low risk actually. And this is like uh, one chart installation. This will trade on three currency pairs together. uh, this is one chart installation, just one time, and it will auto apply to all the currency pairs. Okay. So this is, we are trading on low risk. We made just $81 from 1000 US dollar, and it was on 13th of November. So it is 2 months, more than 2 months actually, and we made just $81 so far. Okay, and now let's go to the other risk level. And this account we are trading with a significant risk, that is calculated risk. And this also we started on the same day, 13th of November. And so 13th of November, it's 2.5 months. So the profitability, there is not much difference. We made 82.52 dollars in 2.5 months with significant risk. Okay, and if you like to see the running trades, these are two running trades going on right now. Okay, and the same with the second account also. So even in this account also, there are just two running trades right now. And this is for the people like who want to trade with better risk management. The profitability is less, but yes, that is very much calculated and it has a better risk management. And let's go to the MyFX book page now. So this is the MyFX book page for calculated risk, that is significant risk. And we just monthly is 3.26%, daily is 0.11%, and the maximum drawdown in just 2.5 months was 1.38% so far. And in 2023, in November we started, it was 2.46%. In December it was 3.42%, and in January. So far it is 2.16%. Guys, our previous videos, like if you would like to see, we were trading it on the higher risk, right? But later on we are now trading it on calculated risk as well as low risk also, because we came across many inquiries, like people were asking for better risk management with a little lower drawdown, or maybe better risk management kind of stuff, where they have some control and they do not need to bother about various other things. Okay, so this is the calculated risk, 1.38% drawdown, 3.26%. I think like on the lower risk also, that would not be a much difference. It is 1.51%, 3.24%, and almost the things are the same. Okay, so the profit factor is 3.50. I think here also the same, it is 3.97%. So almost the same, not much difference. Okay, and both graphs are almost the same, and you can see the monthly or monthly returns also over here. 2.46, 3.42, and here it was 2.33, 3.42, almost the same. And guys, in case if you have any question about this expert advisor, feel free to contact me over email or Telegram. I have provided you both the details in the video description. And also, if you would like to see the other systems that are on my FX book, then please just I have provided you the link of these in the video description, my FX book. And if you go to any of these page, and if you would like to see the other systems, then you can just copy this much and just paste it on your browser, and it will navigate you, it will go through to all the systems that are on my FX book, that are all the systems that we are or we are using on my FX book that we connected with. Okay, so if you have any question, feel free to contact me by email or Telegram, and you are free to explore other systems that are on my FX book. And if you have any question about those expert advisor or those systems also, then you are free to contact us. And also there is a link in the video description where you can go through other playlist of other expert advisors on YouTube. If you would like to see the video, you can go through the playlist. And in case if you like to see just the system, then please go through the portfolio link that I have just provided you. Just copy this much, just copy this much and just paste it in a browser, and you will be able to see the other systems that we have on my FX book. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching, and I would appreciate if you can just subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as our Telegram channel. Telegram channel details are also there, so you can. We do not post very frequently, so you will not be bothered by various notifications. So there is nothing to lose, guys. It will just help us in case if we have some good information or vital information to share, then we can share it across through the Telegram channel also. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Thank you very much.